Kicking off with sports football fans, get ready for a European blockbuster as Barcelona takes on PSG. We'll show you all the ways to live stream this epic showdown from anywhere in the world. And if you need a new screen for the game, Amazon's pre-Black Friday sale has incredible TV deals. You can grab a new Fire TV for as low as $60 with massive discounts on a range of models. From the big screen to great sound, vinyl is making a huge comeback. Check out this super affordable record player with built-in Bluetooth and speakers perfect for any room. After relaxing with music, it might be time to get active, and Peloton is shaking things up in home fitness. The company is revamping its equipment with new AI-powered coaching features to personalize your workouts. But be prepared, these smart upgrades also come with a price hike across their new product line. While tech helps us in many ways, it's crucial to stay vigilant online against new digital threats. A new phishing kit is turning regular PDF files into dangerous malware to steal your personal information. To stay safe, be cautious with unexpected attachments and keep your security software up to date.